Loretta from the Parenting 411, and I am back with my fifth courageous step to establishing discipline with your child. Today's tip: take time to teach instead of taking over. This is usually easier said than done because it seems we are always in a rush to get something done or to get somewhere. We have to stop, though, and invest the effort in helping our children become more independent. Teaching them simple tasks of self-care and managing their own belongings as soon as they are capable allows you to breathe and to think. And of course, it makes them feel confident and capable and just proud after overcoming the initial challenges before they fully master their new skills. It also lightens the loads for you as parents. You just have less to do. Plus, young children usually have a keen desire to help. Take advantage of that spirit and that energy and continue to teach them how to get things done until they leave the house. They will be in such good shape when they head off to college or move into their own place.